Not bad, not bad.
So we're out here, just got the first pass done with the car, myself and Steph. We actually got to line them up together, which is crazy. We normally don't race each other. But so what we're gonna do now, I got my buddy, best friend, brother Q behind me. We're cooling the car. We're cooling the car down. Right now, that's the plan, is just to get some temps out of the car. Pretty much what happened, we got here, we had to unload the trailers and haul tail to get teched in and everything, and then we went right to the staging lane. So I apologize for the video. Q ran up there as fast as he could to get us, but this is how we're sitting. So I swapped the tires out in the front. We're 27 now, all the way around. And I gave Stephanie, my girlfriend, my old front runners and my old rear, so 26 is all the way around for her, so she'll be good. I don't know. We'll see here in a second. It felt good. It always feels good, I'll be honest with y'all. So we'll see what it did. Coming up to the tower, hopefully they don't kick me off because I'm a little nervous.
Hey, bud, you ran too fast. You're gonna need a fire jacket to go down again, okay?
I got one down there.
All right.
Thanks, man. I appreciate you. Look like I went slower. 10-1. What? Don't get it below that grate. There's a grate in there, don't go below that grate. 998.
Hello?
Where's Dad at, mommy?
Right here?
Hey, can I put him on? Hey,
Huh?
you got you a 9-second car?
Alright, well, 985.
No, I only went 998. But you got you. Huh?
You in the nines?
Yeah, I'm in the nines, man. So I'm here.
Alright.
Alright. Bye.
Love you, bye.
Love y'all too. Bye. Oh. Oh, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. 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 Oh, sir. I'm talking about. Yo, let's go, bro. Let's go. Dog. Bro. Yo. Yo. I told you I needed to let it cool off. Yo. Hey, that's crazy, right? Dog. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just want to say thank you so much to everyone who's viewed the video, commented, subscribed, liked, or anything like that. I really do appreciate it. So this past weekend, Steph and I went to a test and tune, and we just kind of wanted to have fun. We haven't had a chance to get our cars out there this year, and we just went out there. So she's made 4 passes in her car. It's a Procharged, full bolt-on GT, and she's chopping the number down like crazy. Which is even crazier is this car has over 220,000 miles on it, and she's gunning for 11. Next weekend coming, we're going to be going up to Cecil Dragway, and hopefully she's going to hit that 11. I think she just needs a little bit more seat time, and she'll be fine. With my 2.3 Cobra, it makes 740 wheel, and it's a basic 2.3 car with E85. However, I was having an issue. It seemed to be nosing over, so I've already contacted Kevin Dunn, my tuner, to kind of let him know what was happening, and we have a way forward. So before Whipple guys get in here and say, hey, the mile an hour is down, yes, the mile an hour is down. I do know that. It's about 5 to 6 mile an hour down, and we will be fixing that. And I just wanted to say I'm going to go for the stock block 6-speed IRS record right now, which I believe is a 971 by Jeff Smith. So I'll be gunning for that. Lastly, I just want to say thank you to UPR, thank you to Jason Roth, thank you to Kevin Dunn, Jose, Wes, Q, Ali, my mom, my dad, my sister, Stephanie, doing an awesome job just wheeling that GT, not even driving it this year and just going out there and killing it. Just really want to say thank you. Vance, thank you so much for the long phone calls and talks every week. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for viewing us, and I hope you continue to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much.